Hey, this is Lego Custom Creator. I am Lego Custom Creator. I have a previous account called Fahad3309. Looks like we're no longer using that anymore. Yeah. So yeah, this is my first video review of Lego Custom creation of my creation. Now I'll show you what. Now I'll show you my creation. I'll be reviewing all this. So yeah. It would take time to review all of this. I use the main thing that I have buy a long time ago, and I used to create that is to create my own custom. So I will be have many more that I will try to create. So yeah, it will take time, weapons. So now, so far have been created vehicles cost better suit, so called. Yeah, weapons. Even this, I just created this and this. So yeah, let me show you. Yeah, one of them. Oops, sorry. Yeah, this one. That's two. Three. Four. Yeah, I want to say something about this. This is just that I only use this to look like it's a rear of a bike, and these wheels here, and oops, sorry, here I just use just left items. So yeah, this is my favorite creation of all. If you see, it's actually I created from a myth. It's a Sagittarius plus a Pegasus. Sagittarius is a human plus a horse, and Pegasus is a horse with a wing. So yeah. Yeah, yeah, it's just nothing. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, I will review them all, and goodbye.